I'm Damodar Ghanekar. Let us let us hone our writing skills. In Konkani, we say writing skills as Lekhan Kaushalya. Let us see how we can develop little by little. Some examples of word to word translation. I is how. Country is Desh. Mountain range is Parvat Rank. States mean Rajya. Total is Vatt. Hour or hours is Amcha. Prime Minister means Pradhan Mantri. Largest is Vard, Vadle, Saglyant Vard, and so on. India is Bharat. Democracy means Lokshai. But when we come across sentences, we will see that I does not always mean how. It can be hame or something else. Let us see how sentences are framed. आमच्या देशाचे राजधानीचे नाव कितें? आमच्या देशाचे राजधानीचे नाव कितें? Desh means country and Rajdhani is capital. What is the name of the capital of our country? Now is name and kite is what? So I will translate it word by word. आमच्या देशाचे राजधानीचे नाव कितें? If we go by the sequence of Konkani, in English it will turn to our country's capital's name what? But this is not right in English. In English we have to say what is the name of the capital of our country. So the sequence changes. आमच्या देशात लोकशाय आसा. Here, asa means is. And in English, it turns out to be we have democracy in our country. Sometimes the verb to have is not used in Konkani. So we have democracy in our country means आमचे कडेन लोकशाय आसा. In short, we will say आमच्या देशात लोकशाय आसा. We have, here we will turn to we have to, since it is we have, this will ami means we. But when it is used in the sentence, it will turn to amcha because our country, in our country, in Deshant. Deshant. This ant means in. So, we have democracy in our country. Desh is country. आमच्या देशात वट्ट 29 राज्यां आसात. So again here we have to say there are 29 states in the country. Rajya means state. Again, आमच्या देशात, in our country, what is total, or here it means together. 29 states together. आमच्या देशात देशांत, ant is again in, desh is country. देशांत 29 राज्यां आसात. आसात. We have 29 states. देशांतल्या सगळ्यांत व्हड 5 पर्वतरांकांची नांवां सांगात. सगळ्यांत व्हड, big, bigger, biggest. We don't have one word for the comparative and superlative in Konkani. Big is word, bigger is third word, and biggest is saglyant word. Parvatrank, as we have already seen, it is the mountain range, and now is name. So देशांतल्या सगळ्यांत व्हड 5 पर्वतरांकांची नांवां सांगात. Name the 5 biggest mountain ranges of the country. गंगा, यमुना, ब्रह्मपुत्र, कावेरी, गोदावरी, नर्मदा ह्यो देशांतल्यो 6 व्हड न्हंयो. The translation is very easy here. Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Narmada are the largest rivers in the country. Saglyant word. Largest. Largest word. Saglyant word. Again we get a word-to-word translation. Mountain is Parvat, written Barela. National song Rashtriya Geet, famous Famad, or we also say Prasidh. National anthem is Rashtrageet, and ours is आमचें. महात्मा गांधीचो जल्म गुजरातांतल्या पोरबंदरांत जाला. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar, Gujarat. Now, Jalma is birth. Mahatma Gandhi took birth. Took birth means was born. So, Mahatma Gandhicho Jalma गुजरातांतल्या पोरबंदरांत जाला. एव्हरेस्ट हो संवसारांतलो सगळ्यांत व्हड पर्वत. एव्हरेस्ट इज द बिगस्ट माउंटन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. मुंबय, चेन्नई, कोलकाता, दिल्ली ही आमच्या देशांतलीं 4 मुखेल शारां. मुंबय, चेन्नई, कोलकाता, दिल्ली are the famous cities of our country. रवींद्रनाथ टागोरान बरयिल्लें जन गण मन हें आमचें राष्ट्रगीत. जन गण मन, written by Rabindranath Tagore, is our national anthem. Rashtra means nation and Geet means, here it means anthem. So national anthem is Rashtragit. बंकिमचंद्र चट्टोपाध्यायान बरयिल्लें वंदे मातरम आमचें राष्ट्रीय गीत. Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, is our national song. Rashtra Geet. When we write this, we write the letter Sh plus T plus R. You must have already seen how R is joined when letters like T or D come. This is R, which is at the bottom of these letters. So, Rashtra is formed by joining 3 letters together. Rashtragit. And Rashtriya Geet means national song. So here we have seen how to write some sentences, very easy sentences, and we can frame some sentences based on this. Thank you.